Here I have OPPO A1, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer contacts from SIM card to this device. So firstly you should open Contacts application, then you should go to the Switch Fix and Manage section, then select Manage SIM. Then you can select where to you want to import this contact. So let's import it to our device. Here you can select which contacts you want to transfer, and then you just tap import. And after that, these contacts will appear on your phone. You have to switch to it, and here they are. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.